In this video, we're reviewing Axos Invest. I'll share my experience using this automated investing platform. For more details, check the links below. Axos Invest is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting simplified investing. It's a low-cost, goal-oriented platform with an easy-to-use interface. It takes the guesswork out of building a diversified portfolio. Axos Invest manages your portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance, using low-cost ETFs. It handles everything: rebalancing, reinvesting dividends, and even tax loss harvesting. This keeps your portfolio optimized without constant adjustments. A unique feature is direct indexing, usually rare for robo-advisors. This allows tax-efficient investing by owning stocks mirroring an index. Ideal for larger portfolios, it enhances tax strategy without managing individual stocks. Set up recurring deposits with the auto-deposit feature for a disciplined approach. The intuitive dashboard clearly shows performance, allocation, and progress. Axos Invest suits passive investors seeking automated, cost-effective growth. It's great for younger or new investors due to its simplicity and affordability. It also benefits those valuing tax efficiency without micromanagement. However, it may not suit those wanting advanced tools, in-depth research, or hands-on investing. Overall, Axos Invest provides a user-friendly robo-advisor experience for a wide range of investors. Check the links below to see if it fits your financial goals.